guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to just pop in and pop my camera up. I got my nails done. Ooh, they're so cute. They're so cute. Yes. Actually, all my friends moved out of the Bay Area, so I'm here alone. Not alone, but I have my siblings, you know, my family. I got no friends. So if y'all want to be my friend or my bestie, go ahead and slide into my DMs. Instagram right here. Anyway, so I'm filming this during Halloween, so I might be posting this Christmas or November, around those 2 months. Okay, so let's go ahead and do my makeup and let's have some fun. A little disclaimer up in here. I won't be explaining what I do or stuff like that because I'm really bad at it. Watch me how I do my makeup and we'll see if I have the nerve to actually explain it. If not, okay, let's do it because I ain't got time. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Like, y'all like my shirt? It's Dark Lady up in here. Dark Lady. I'm gonna be using patmcgrathreal palette, one of my favorites of them all. And then we're gonna use the brown shade color around my crease area. Go ahead and blend everything out. Oh, look at that pimple right there. Yes, you're giving me pimple realness. Life's been okay, I guess. Been spending a lot of time with my family. And I've been focused on school lately, so we're just gonna blend everything out like we always do. And I always start with a really light shade of brown and I work my way up to the darker shade. And I like to really take my time to actually blend everything out, just because I like it to look like Photoshop in real life. The past week was my birthday. Yeah, that was my birthday, so y'all didn't say happy birthday to me. Y'all shady. I'm just kidding. I'm only playing. I'm going for a really vampy look. I want to match my nails. Yes. And we're just going to start blending everything out. Like that. Oh my god, looks so cute. I love it. Makeup is my therapy, so don't mess with it, please. I literally thought I saw a spider up my ceiling. Anyway, so I'm going to just pat. I'm going to be using brush 105 by PH Cosmetics and going to sketch out my cut crease area by blending into my crease with a dark shade, which pitch black. I don't know if you can see it. Ignore this part right here. Trust me, this is how I do my drag makeup, and this is the reason why I do my eye makeup first, because this happens. Be using Morphe bubbly brush to actually blend everything else. Baby, who are they? Ooh. I'm cleaning out the edges right now because, you know, you gotta remove all your excellence out of your life. So basically, this is how I do it. I don't use tape because I don't need tape. Ooh, that was shady. Oh, well, whatever, I don't care. Ooh, look at that fierceness, yes. Basically, I did my cut crease off camera. Added the brown shade color to blend out my cut crease within my eyeshadows in the inner corner of my eye. And then I added a shimmer color. And now I'm going to apply my favorite elegant white creamy. Oh my god, it's just so good. Just wait until I apply it on my lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my base off camera. Going to cover my beard. I'm gonna be doing my lips and all that stuff, and I'll be right back. Oh my god, I'm back. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys how I did the other process, but like I said, it was just not gonna be the type of video of me explaining what I do on my face, since I have plenty of other videos. Y'all can go and look it up. But this is the final product. On my lips, I'm wearing Dragun Beauty eyelashes, Lily lashes, and my contour Benefit Cosmetic Hula Bronzer. So if y'all want to get into it, it's going to be below on the subscription. I still have my wig. If I should apply it now or wait until later. thank you so much for watching this video. I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but when I do, y'all would know. But anyways, okay, I gotta go. I'll see you guys next time with a new makeup tutorial. Hopefully not the same wig like I always do, because y'all came for me the other day, like the other time I posted a video with the same red wig. Girl, those wigs are expensive. You think I have that much money to keep buying new wigs? Anyways, bye.